What is up guys, this is Jay here and welcome to yet another video of Tricky Solution. Sometime we face our Play Store restarts again and again, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can solve the problem. And to solve the problem, very first process you have to go setting, then you have to go your account, tap on account. Here you can see I have 3 accounts. I just removed all of those accounts from Google. If you have 1 account, just remove this one. Use pattern. And what I have to do, I have to go on setting again. Then I have to go apps and notification. Then I have to go Play Store, and here you can see the storage and cache. Tap on the storage and cache, and here you have to clear the cache and you have to clear the storage, then tap on OK. And what we have to do, we have to go Play Store. Here you have to relog your account, then tap on sign in, and it takes time. Here you have to just put your mail here. Then tap on next. Here I have to put my passcode, and then tap on turn on backup. It's your wish. Then I agree and accept. And it's already signed here, and I have to clear all the file, and then I have to go Play Store again. And I hope and I have already in my account, and I hope your problem will be solved. If you guys enjoyed the video, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to share with your friends. If you still facing such kind of problem, you just let me know in the comment box. Thank you.